Did you know about the recent Supreme Court decision regarding the reinstatement of federal workers? Let's dive right in. The Supreme Court recently blocked an order that required the Trump administration to reinstate thousands of federal workers who were let go in mass firings. This decision wasn't about the firings per se, but rather a technical legal assessment. The crux of the matter, the right of nonprofit associations to sue over these firings. This decision is the third time in a week that the court has sided with the administration in disputes with federal judges over Trump's agenda. You might be wondering, what does this decision mean for the federal workers involved? This Supreme Court decision, while significant, doesn't immediately change the status of many employees. A good chunk of these workers still remain on paid administrative leave thanks to a separate lawsuit. Now, while the Supreme Court decision is getting the spotlight, there's another battle brewing in Maryland. The Justice Department is appealing a similar order there, and this appeal could potentially affect even more employees. Now let's take a step back. Since Trump took office, the lawsuits claim that a staggering 24,000 probationary employees have been terminated. But there's a twist to this tale. U.S. District Judge William Alsup has ruled that these terminations were improperly directed and ordered rehiring at 6 federal agencies. But what are the wider implications of this Supreme Court decision, you may ask? Well, let's start with the Trump administration's agenda. This ruling marks the third time in a single week the court has sided with the administration, reinforcing its power to reshape the federal government through mass firings. This has sparked fierce debate, with critics arguing such actions undermine the stability and effectiveness of government agencies. Moreover, this decision has a significant impact on the rights of nonprofit associations. The court's ruling, based on a technical legal assessment, raises questions about these organizations' ability to challenge such mass firings in the future. This could potentially limit their influence in advocating for workers' rights. The controversy surrounding these mass firings is far from over, with ongoing lawsuits claiming that the terminations were improperly directed and lacked compliance with rules. These disputes could continue to stoke tensions and uncertainty within the federal workforce. As this situation continues to unfold, it's clear that this Supreme Court decision will have far-reaching implications for federal workers and the workings of the federal government. Stay ahead of the curve with your daily dose of news. Subscribe now and never miss a beat.